This morning with the sun right in my eyes, and the warning as it took me by surprise. It hit me like an act of God, causing my alarm. I've not become a cephalopods, still got legs and arms. Yes, I still have legs and arms. Today was supposed to be the day all the kids decided she's born. Laws of physics don't so sway. Society evolves. Wake up on this morning and find that they're in charge, while those who weren't set up for, who are really doing quite well, will wake up in institutions, in prison or in hell.